Okay, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it is actually snowing out. Good morning, SHunShiners and possibly SHunShaders. So yes, there was snow on the ground when I got here, but it's actually lightly snowing today. So, that's gonna be fun when I have to drive an hour into Dover to go to my doctor's appointment. Today's added ingredients are apples and some artificial milk. Not soy milk, but like almond milk or hemp milk or something like that. Okay, the noise in the background is the clock over there. Moment of truth. Pretty good. Although I need to get some more fruits because the same combination every single day with a few added things is getting kind of bland. It tastes pretty much the same as previous days. Need some different fruits and vegetables. Okay, not like it's blizzarding or anything, but it has been a while since I drove in snow. And driving in snow is like walking on ice. So this trip to Dover could be hazardous. Cross our fingers, knock on wood, and pray and hope I don't get into another accident. Welcome to driving in a snowstorm, where the lanes are made up and the lines don't matter. So, I'm inside the examination room waiting for my doctor in the oh so very stylish hospital gown. Yeah, see ya after the appointment. Well, doctor's visits are never fun. So I have to come back tomorrow to get some blood drawn. That's gonna be fun. And other stuff that I'll talk about later, because I don't feel like mentioning it right now. Get over it. So I popped into Home Depot to say hi, and now I'm heading to the Fox Run Mall in Newington, the Newington Mall, to get some more Christmas gifts. With the roads being terrible, everything is going a lot slower than I thought. So I was planning on hanging out with a friend around 4, but instead we're hanging out around 5. So Zarek's here. Say hi, Zarek.
Hi, Zarek.
And we're playing Ticket to Ride, apparently. Because there's 5 of us, we're playing a board game. I don't know. It makes sense, kind of. So, after Zarek stole my camera, I can now say what I want to say now that I got it back. So,
sleeping. That's what your shirt says.
That's what my shirt says. So I just saw Time of the Doctor with my family and Zarek.
What's that?
And
The Doctor?
what?
What?
It was called The Time of the Doctor.
You have the time of the Doctor?
Anyways, it was just as amazing as the 50th anniversary. Moffat, however you pronounce it, he outdid himself again. And can't wait until when? April?
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, can't wait till April. Thoughts?
I liked it a lot.
Thoughts? Dad? Thoughts?
I always have trouble getting used to a new doctor.
I still have no idea what's going on.
He's still on season 1.
It's a little bit behind.
Well, good night, whoever's watching this. See you tomorrow. Well, I won't see you, but you will see me. Awkward cut to outro.
There's a vlog on the web featuring Ben Stock that he shoots every day as he walks and talks. If you're Bigfoot in the woods or producers in LA, you should stop all your shit and watch SHunShineSHate, SHunShineSHate, SHunShineSHate. Has nothing to do with Florida, but it's great. If you can't wait, don't get irate. Just stay in your sheet, 'cause it's SHunShineSHate.